What I want, my peoples, them. Welcome, welcome again. You know which part we're there. From no see Papa Harry on the door, see Mama Joan. On the door, no say. Still there, Mama Joan. But here we are going now. And Mama Joan run the thing today, you know. Papa Harry run the thing today. Because Mama Joan, she go out with her idiot thing, with some little idiot something. But me and her with the rat today, they're going to have the rat run her down in the house. They're all over the place. Yes, people, me are going to have the rat run her down today. They're going to introduce me to my brethren. Guess what my brethren name? You couldn't remember what his name? Ben. You remember Michael Jackson, Ben? Him me I go work with today, say like, oh, Michael Jackson I work with Ben. Well, I'm Ben. See Ben, yeah? Ben, how you doing? You ready for work with me and Mama Joan? See, Ben, I shake him head and I say, yes, me ready for Mama Joan. Say howdy to the people and Ben. Howdy people, howdy. Basically what me I go do now, me I go make you see me. I set up Ben downstairs. Right at the bottom of the stairs, so that as Mama Joan come downstairs, she go and see Ben running up and down, run up the stairs, run down the hall, run all over the place today. And when Mama Joan see him running up and down all over the house, you know Mama Joan already, because I don't tell her already, say she not like rat. Okay guys, I'm gonna set up everything. We also have to show now how it work, so when Mama see him, she'll run like thief. Watch this. I have my string and everything set. So you see when me pull that string and all, watch this. Aye! You see that? Rat and Ben run all over the house. You see him run a while ago? Well, that me go drop on Mama Joan. Give me a chance, me soon come back and then we are going to do. What we are do? Okay guys, Papa Joan this now. Me dey pa me ambush mode. Ambush Mama Joan, me and Ben, you know. But I don't know when she'll come down the stairs, but I have to wait till she come. So in the meantime, when she'll come, I have to deal with it like a snake. I have to wait diligently till my prayer come. So right now, I'm in ambush mode, I have to settle and wait till your prayer comes. So I have my candy, you know. So I go eat my candy and go on. Wait, because I have the whole day, you know. I go eat my candy and go and wait till Mama Joan come. But I not left till she come. So watch this, guys. Wait, but Mama Joan, I mean, I left till she come down, say, take me a rush, I'm not even a call her, I'm coming out and call her and get her in a different mood. I wait for my belly. You see me? So when she come, we're going to work with you. Alright, guys? One whole time till she come.
20 minutes later.
Cleaning the bathroom there. So much work. We just see a big rat run the sour logo like him and run me down.
Rat?
Yes!
In the house?
In the hallway, yes!
What?
A big flipping rat! Oh my god! What are you? Where are you?
Harry!
Oh God! No.
Alice!
Harry!
How will you get there?
That is a big rat! Where him come from?
Me don't know Harry right easy.
Are you hold him, sir?
Me don't have to catch him a while ago. What you do with your husband? Give me a kiss. Harry, where you gone? Harry, come where you gone? Come here. Come here. No, man, honey, no joke. Look here. Honey, come now, man. You afraid? Look now. A robber. Me. A Ben. Robber Ben.
Harry! Oh, you can't play, sir?
No, but Joan.
Why the fuck would you want to do that? Where you get that from?
Me beg from Amazon. Me beg. And
You is a motherfucker. Why would you do that?
Ben.
Well, you do something don't like rat, but at the same time you do that?
Ben say like. That was a good one, I like Ben.
You don't like that, my youth. You can't do that.
It was just a prank. You know,
But with a rat?
but you know you're afraid of rat, like you know me not like roach. You give me the roach. So this are for the rat. This are for the roach. So this is it. Rat and roach. You don't like rat, me not like roach. A good rat. How you know, Sarah, when you stick around right here? You know, a good rat, man, a good rat. Ben, you're good rat. But Ben look good enough. Ben look good. Handsome too.
You cannot do that. You cannot do that. Don't touch me.
No,
I cannot do that. You can't do that. You know me don't like them spitter there. You know me don't like them something there. You know me don't like that. You kiss it?
Oh, you mean? No,
Oh my God!
I'm in bed.
You are so disgusting. You are so disgusted.
Oh, me Ben.
This is so wicked. How could you do that to me? Oh my gosh.
I'm going to the shoulder. Go Ben. Guys, I hope you enjoy that one day, you know. Cause mama face no look good, you know.
Mama face no look good?
No, mama don't face no look good at all.
You know what, guys, me not worry now. Because as me always tell you now, two can play the same game. You understand me?
Yes, it.
So it's okay. I do not like rat. I do not like those things. You understand me? And
Stick
you
me in the
know,
nose.
but it's okay. Because you know what? It's on. When we say it's on, we mean it on. So anyway, as him said, me got, me gonna take it. You understand me? But anyway, guys, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when we post. You see him goddamn motherfucker face. You see him a smile?
That is my happy face, guys.
You see him? You see him enjoy himself?
Yes.
But it's okay. It's alright. It's all good. You know? Watch him now.
Alright. Papa, we can't applaud.
Guys, it is not funny. It is not funny. But you know what, guys? I'll see you in the next one. And I'm going.